Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so to buttress part one of number system, um, we're trying to trying to engage in one or two examples on the number system for part two. Okay, now we have example three, example four, example five. Okay, that we can play around with. So we have 26043 base 7. Don't forget, you can also write that base 7 in what? In words, so that you cannot get, don't be confused. It's still the same thing. So if I say solution, okay, so this is just to explain the part one. So if I say solution, maybe example 3 now, 26043, I can write 7 instead of writing it in figure. It's still the same thing. Okay, when you see something like this, it's the same thing. So don't forget, the highest you can go for base 7 is what? 6, according to the table shared in part 1. So it means that at the end of the day, you can have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we normally do this so that when you're trying to convert it to the power of number of bases, or you're trying to convert it to base 10, so it won't be a kind of difficult thing to know what to do. So it means that this one is something as saying 2 times 7 raised to power 4. Okay, that's the meaning. 2 times 7 raised to power 4. 2 times this 7 raised to power the power, which is what? 4. So the 7, which is the base, is raised to power 4. So the same thing, the next one is what? 6 times 7. The base is raised to power what? 3. Okay. 6 times what? 7. 6 times 7 is raised to power 3. Okay. The next one is what? That's 0 times what? 7 raised to power what? 2. 0 times 7 raised to power 2. 0 times 7 raised to power this power, which is what? 2. Then the other one is what? Plus. This one is plus. That's 4 times 7 raised to power what? 1 plus 3 times 7 raised to power 0. You can see that it's as simple as it's like changing and pure water. That is very straightforward. So you have your 4 times 7 raised to power 1. Okay. You have your 3 times 7 raised to power what? Raised to power 0. So you can see that it's very straightforward. So I've been able to write, and I've told you the highest number you can have for base 7 is what? 6. But the number given to us can only take what? Power of what? 4. That's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. No cause for alarm. Just continue. 2 times 7, which is the base. The base takes the power, which is 7 raised to power what? 4. So plus 6 times 7 raised to power 3 plus what? 0 times 7 raised to power 2. It's not how far, but how well. Okay, how well do you understand the topic we've treated so far? So that's why we are not rushing. We're taking it one step at a time. Okay, so that you can get the understanding of exactly what we're talking about. So the next thing we need to do right here is just for us to now do the multiplication, which I believe that one is not shouldn't be hard. Okay, so this is just to tell us this 7 raised to power 4. We have to do our multiplication maybe 4 times. That's 7 times 7 is what? 49. Then if you have 49 times 7, okay, here we can say that 9 times 9 is what? Is 81, if I'm not mistaken. Then if we should remove, maybe 9 times 9 is 81. So for us to get 9 times 7, you remove um from 9 times 9 is 81. You remove maybe what's it called now? You remove 18 from that 81. So if you remove 18, okay, then it means this is 11. If I take 1, this is 11. Then if it's 11, then it means you have 3. Then you have 7 um, here. Then it means you have 63. So it means 9 times 7 is what? Is 63. Then carries what? Carries 6. 7 times 4, that's 28. 28 plus what? Plus 6. That will give us 343. Okay? So that's 7 times 7, 49. 49 times 7 will give us what? 343. Okay? Plus another 7. That's times another 7 to make it 4. Okay, 7 times 3, 21, carry 2. 7 times 4, 28 plus 2, that's what, 30, carry 3. 7 times 3, that's 21. 21 plus 3, that's what, 24. So it means the answer is what, 2401. Okay, if you're in the JAMB class, you might not need calculator. Okay, you have to know what you're doing here. So 2 times 2401, okay, plus 7 times 7, that's 49. So 49 times 7, the one we just finished just now. So it means it's what, 343, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's 343. Okay, then plus 0 plus 7 times this one is the same thing as saying 4 times 7, which is still the same thing. Then we also have the plus, that's 3 plus 7 raised to power what? Okay, anything raised to power 0 is what? Is 1. Okay, so we've mentioned that that is not new to us again. Okay, we've mentioned that often and often. So what we just need to do here, for us to get our value with base 10, we've been able to, this one means that we've been able to expand this particular number to the power of their bases. To the power of their bases. What is the base here? 7. So the powers here are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is what? 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We've been able to do that. So the next one is that, okay, we are trying to convert this to maybe to base 10. This is general base. So to get your value out, you can times this, and then you have this 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 0, 0, 4 times 2, 8, 2 times 2, that's 4. Okay, then you can also do this 6 times 3, 18, take 1, okay, carry 1, then 6 times 4, 24, plus 1, that's what, 25, carry 2, 6 times 3, 18, plus 2, that's what, 20. Then you have your what, 0, 7 times 4, 28, plus what, 3. So it means that I can add this. Let me do this manually to ensure that I'm not making any mistake. Okay, 25, 8, then you have your 28, you have your 3. Okay, so you have your 10, 18, that's 21, take 2. Okay, you have your 10, 18, 21. Okay, that's, you carry 2. Then 5 plus 2, 0 plus 5 plus 2, that's 7, plus the 2 you carry, that is what, 9. Okay, 8 plus 0, that's 1, 8. Then 4 plus 2, that is what, 6, 8. That's 6, 8, 9, 1. Okay, 6, 8, 9, 1. So it means that the answer at the end of the day is what? 6, 8 is equal to 6, 8, 9 what? 9, 1. So it's as simple as that. So it means that the first solution here, we've been able to get our answer in base 10 to be what? 6, 8, 9, 1. The first thing we try to raise the bases to their power, okay, which has been shown. Then the next one is just to get the value in what? In base 10. So it means that from this method that we've done, from this example, 3 example we've done, you can also do try number 4, try number 5, and share your answer, okay, in the comment section. Please continue to like, continue to comment, continue to share, and also subscribe to our YouTube, so that we can reach a lot of young minds for them to also benefit from these sections and parts. Thank you very much. Cheers.